Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome everyone to this video. So in this video I'm going to actually talk about the course organization in DIU BLC. I am Ahmed Al Maruf, lecturer of Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Daffodil International University. So in this video I'm going to actually cover DIU BLC, that is Blended Learning Center, and also about my course organization, starting from the welcome letter to the weekly contents I have created. So let's move on to the DIU BLC. So if you just search in DIU, search in Google, writing DIU BLC, it will actually show you the elearn.daffodiluniversity.edu.bd link. And so this DIU BLC is a different project of Daffodil International University for blended learning and also online content creation and sharing with the students. So this BLC is actually giving us the opportunity to share our materials and to be more creative to design our courses, and also for effective learning of our students. So I'm going to directly take you to my course. So this is my course, CAC 231 Microprocessor and Assembly Language for summer 2020 semester. You can see that 117 students are already enrolled, and some of them have already started progressing in this course. So at the very beginning of my course, I have included a welcome letter, which is this one. So so this welcome letter actually gives a very warm feeling to our students, and then I have actually wrote some lines for them, and also in this starting, I have attached an image of OB course outline. As Department of Computer Science and Engineering have the IEB accreditation, we have to actually maintain the outcome-based education. So this one is actually for from that purpose. And then I have given the instructor information. So my name, my office, cell phone, email, and the Google site links. And also I have included an HTML link here about of my Google site. So it will actually redirect you to the Google site that I have, and students can also learn about me or if they have any interest. And then I have also included the Android mobile application that I have made about myself, and also utilizing the Google site. So student can also download the Android mobile application from here. So for each of the course, I have the course rationale, course objectives listed here, and also the course outcomes for the outcome-based educations. And I have here the audio recorded slide on course introduction, and where I have actually described the brief introduction of microprocessor and microcontroller, and why students need this course, and the course rationale, objectives, and outcomes are actually elaborately described here. And also I have attached an audio recorded slide on supporting materials, so students will have the guideline on the supporting materials that I have provided them through this DIU BLC. So then I have actually created an student interest survey. By clicking here, uh, student will be redirected to a Google form, that is the student interest survey form, and student can also tell me the strengths and the skills that they have and the weaknesses they have, and also what do you want to learn from this course. So I will, at the very beginning of the course, I will have the understanding of my students, and then the course outline, course textbook and reference books are linked here, and the download links obviously, and the assessment plan is here. And if students want to take appointment from me, this is the link they can use. I have attached the Google Classroom codes, as I am actually teaching three different sections for the same course. So I have this I have given it in this format, and these classrooms are not available if it has the proper restrictions for the different three sections. Also, I have included an important dates, which is the summer 2020 timeline, and starting from the May 16 when the class starts, and the quiz 1, quiz 2, midterm exam, and quiz 3, and finally the semester final. So I have made this timeline using the Padlet. So it was actually interesting to me, so I have added this one. So then I have the class attendance submissions for three different sections. The students can actually come here and uh, self-report their attendance here. Then we have the quiz one, week one. So for week one, I have the week one's banner, and then the name of the week is introduction, and also I have attached an audio guidelines to students for week one. So a student will have to actually first listen to this audio guideline, and it's a very short audio, and they will have the all the things required to know in week one, and the topics of discussion, expected learning outcomes, and resources for of learning. So for each of the week, we have two different lessons. So for each of the lessons, I have attached the lecture slide in PDF format, and also the lecture slide in voice annotated PPT, and the YouTube video. So for each of the lessons, I have done the same. So the reason I have actually provided the voice annotated PPT and also the video is that some of our students are currently in remote villages where they have very limited internet facility. So this voice annotated PPT is a very small sized file, so they can easily download and hear my voice while watching the slides also. And the same voice, same materials I have actually added in the YouTube, my YouTube channel, and I've just linked that in this BLC. So for each of the weeks, I am actually giving some small assessments. So for this week, I have created a self-test questions where students have to actually answer 5 different questions in 5 minutes. So this actually depends on the microcomputer systems lecture. So students can, yeah. So this is a very short 5 question uh, quiz. Say, so they are going to attempt. So then I have the online class recordings. So as I have already said, I am teaching 3 different sections. So for each of the different sections, I have the Google Drive links of the online class recordings. And finally, I have added the student feedback for this week's. So students are going to actually give their choice. And so this is actually DIU BLC choice format here. So it's a poll. Just a student will answer this a simple question that how are the microprocessor and assembly language classes this week. So this has been created for 3 different sections here. So last but not the least, I have created an open discussion forum where students can write about any kind of problem they're facing regarding this week, and also other students can contribute here and answer those questions. And obviously, I'm going to also help and support my students here. So that is all for this video. Thank you, everyone.